In today's video, we will review 5 real AI agents that are actually doing the work that companies used to hire entire teams to perform, enormous number of tasks. These aren't tools that wait for instructions every few seconds. They're designed to take a goal and work toward it. And while the AI industry is obsessed with model benchmarks and performance scores, businesses care about something much simpler: results. So today, we're looking at 5 of the most important AI agents being used by real businesses right now, and what makes each one stand out from everything that came before. Before we start, I would like to warn you that this is not make money or get rich quick scheme. The results are not guaranteed. Just because someone is making money out of those systems doesn't mean you will have the same success. Outcomes depend on skills, execution, niche, market conditions, and implementation. With that said, let's start with OpenAI Operator. At first glance, Operator may not seem as exciting as some of the agents later on this list, but what makes it powerful is that it can interact directly with websites. Most AI systems live inside a chat window. Operator can move beyond that. It can browse the web, click buttons, fill out forms, navigate pages, and complete online tasks on behalf of a user. That may sound simple, but it unlocks a huge number of business use cases. Companies spend countless hours every day performing repetitive web-based work. Gathering information, updating records, checking systems, submitting forms, and managing online workflows all consume valuable time. Operator can automate many of these activities. Instead of acting like an assistant that only provides information, it acts more like a digital worker, capable of interacting with the online world. Next up are AI SDR agents. SDR stands for Sales Development Representative, and these agents focus on one thing: finding potential customers. Every business needs leads, and acquiring those leads has traditionally required large sales teams. AI SDR agents change that equation. They can research companies, identify decision makers, craft personalized outreach messages, send follow-ups, answer basic questions, and schedule meetings. What makes them special isn't just automation, it's scale. An AI SDR agent can manage outreach campaigns far beyond what an individual salesperson could handle. The best systems personalize messages using information about the prospect's company, industry, and challenges. Since revenue is the bloodline of every business, agents that help generate new customers have quickly become some of the most valuable AI systems available today. Moving higher on the list, we arrive at custom Claude coding agents. This category is especially interesting because it isn't a single product. Instead, companies are building specialized agents powered by Claude to solve specific business problems. Some create software products, some automate internal workflows, others manage customer onboarding, analyze data, generate content, or coordinate operations across multiple systems. What makes Claude particularly attractive for these use cases is its ability to handle large amounts of context and maintain strong reasoning across long workflows. Businesses aren't simply using these agents as assistants. In many cases, they're becoming critical components of day-to-day operations. The more processes an organization can automate, the more valuable these custom agents become. That's why we're seeing an increasing number of startups and enterprises building entire workflows around them. Coming in at number 2 is Manus. Few AI agents generated as much attention as Manus when it first appeared. The reason is simple. Manus demonstrated a level of autonomy that many people had been waiting for. Instead of requiring constant instructions, it can take a broad objective and break it into smaller tasks. It can conduct research, gather information, analyze findings, create reports, and execute multi-step workflows with limited supervision. What makes Manus stand out is its focus on completing objectives rather than simply answering questions. It behaves less like a chatbot and more like a project coordinator. Businesses are exploring its use for market analysis, competitive intelligence, business operations, and complex research tasks. The ability to independently manage long workflows is one of the most important developments in the evolution of AI agents, and Manus helped demonstrate what that future could look like. And finally, at the top of the list, we have Devin. When people talk about AI agents that could fundamentally change an industry, Devin is often the first example mentioned. Devin was designed specifically for software engineering. Unlike traditional coding assistants that generate snippets of code, Devin can work through much larger development tasks. It can analyze requirements, write software, test code, identify bugs, propose fixes, and continue working toward a goal across multiple steps. What makes this so significant is that software development sits at the center of the modern economy. Nearly every company depends on software in some way. Building that software is expensive, time-consuming, and often limited by engineering resources. Devin aims to reduce that bottleneck. Many teams are experimenting with using Devin alongside human developers to accelerate projects and increase productivity. The potential impact is enormous because even small improvements in software development speed can create significant business value. What's fascinating about these 5 agents is that each one targets a completely different area of business. Operator focuses on web-based workflows, AI SDR agents focus on customer acquisition, Claude agents focus on business automation, Manus focuses on complex project execution, Devin focuses on software engineering. Together, they reveal a much larger trend taking place across the AI industry. The most important thing to understand is that these agents are still early versions of what may eventually become a completely new kind of workforce. Their capabilities are improving rapidly, their costs are falling, and their ability to handle longer and more complex tasks continues to grow. The companies that learn to use them effectively may gain major advantages over competitors who wait too long to adapt. The AI race is often portrayed as a battle between models, but the real story may be something much bigger. The future may belong to agents that can actually perform valuable work, and if that's true, the 5 agents on this list could be giving us an early glimpse of what the next generation of digital workers will look like.